They've got Nvidia as a buy at 175. But man, go short on it till then.
Okay, the mic was on and then off. It was backwards, so I have to remember to. So good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader, and this is Marie. And yes, let's see what we do today. Marie was talking about Nvidia short. That makes sense to me. It's just like yesterday the price action was so good toward the long at the end. Like at the end, like once we flip, it was so good to the long that I say today I will be hesitant to be short probably.
Because if we're looking at Nvidia going long at 175, well, you've got $5 short there, right? So why not?
Yeah, for sure. So the problem, like for example, like SPY is looking very bullish right now. Like I'm expecting SPY to pull back to 676.23.
Okay.
But you say you have like 675, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, so right now the stack on both that we have is 675.60.
Yeah.
So that's a little bit lower. That's very bearish if it pulls back there, but we do have the PCL at 675. I do not have any position. Seems like one tape seems to be flipping more to your level. So at 676.80.
So I actually erased the line from yesterday just to make sure that we have those clear today.
Yeah, me too.
But like,
So 676.80. So you could be very good, and that's very close to the 200 EMA and the VWAP.
I see.
As far as top level, 679.20 on both. Oof, that's weird.
Yeah, that's interesting, you know. But yeah, so if he wants to go there, I don't know. Like I mean, let's just see it going there. So Marie, how are you doing today?
Good, Davey, and you?
Nice, good too. Just doing my things here. Like I like the saying that in your comment previously. I am not sleeping that good, so I have to work on that. But more than that, everything is doing good. Everything is going smooth. I can say probably. So yeah, and that's it for me. But like yeah, today we have a lot of news coming out, a lot of numbers coming out. Like some of them were already out at 8:30, which is like durable goods and things like that. So what we have, if I'm not mistaken, is CPI. No, Chicago PMI at 9:45. That's super important. So super important. So at 9:45, we're gonna watch out for that. So durable goods order month to month that came out at 8:30. Decent number, better than expected. It's not like if it's any pumping number or anything like that. Initial jobless claims like that came also at 8:30, like 216,000, and yeah, non-defense good order except air. 0.9%. Previous was 0.9%. So Chicago PMI is the one that is pending, and then crude oil stock change, and then we have gasoline stock change. So we have to wait for that. The only numbers that I care about those last three is Chicago PMI. So we're gonna see and we're gonna wait and let's see how it goes, you know. So yeah, so
If I'm looking, Davey, one thing I did not look at was the RSI. If we're looking at Nvidia,
yeah, the RSI is
it's gonna pump.
yeah, like because it's bouncing like from right there. So
Correct. It's gonna pump.
I think we agree in how the RSI is looking on that one.
So before pulling back, it could pump and then pull back. So
Though the pullback doesn't seem to be farting, like it's not really.
185.
I have
Nvidia.
179.70.
No, but 185 for the long. So we've got 5 minutes.
So let's see. This definitely worth a shot. I think I have about the price that you have. I probably have a level. Yeah, I have 180.38.
Okay.
180.38. Probably that will be a risky trader. So I'm gonna go with like small share size. So I'm gonna dump. Gonna put a little order there, and yeah, that will be for NVDA. And I say I want to get that at 180.38. I will be looking to add or to be all out and then to get it back. It's gonna be a little bit weird, but you know. Yeah, orders in. Let's see what it does.
Your order's in for?
NVIDIA alone. So like that tape is not that crazy, you know, right now. Like sometimes you just know that you don't want to go against. So.
Which makes sense.
Ay, ay, ay.
To not, don't go against the.
Like, is there any ticket that you are looking at the open?
BULL.
Bull? Yeah. You have tried that before, you remember? Zach also trade that normally. I was going to text Zach this morning, I forgot. I was live around there. So, let's try. I want to put this down. I want you to be able to see. That's good. Yeah, NVIDIA is pumping up. So I would like to have a short idea on NVIDIA, but I don't have it. Bull, you're looking what, long or short? That was a big pause.
That was a big pause. If I'm looking at the RSI and I'm looking at the tape, bull would be interesting to go long at 9. But there still seems to be having, something would have to happen with the tape for it to switch. But the RSI seems to be strong right there, gaining strength. And the PCL's at 870.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I decided to flip my size for NVIDIA. But I'm not jumping in. I have an order to go in. That thing is holding the moving average quite well. But like, I don't know, do you see any correlation between that and the indexes? No? Good luck, everybody. The market just opened. I have an order to go short on NVIDIA, but it's just one shot. If that doesn't work, I don't have to fight too much for it. and being very picky with the price. I get that price, so I don't get anything. So
Okay.
if it flush to 130.80, then I can consider going long. But bull, like, you see what happened in bull? You had that short actually.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so
So right now we've got SPY that's pumping.
have hands on the wheel for NVDA.
Okay. You
I-
flipped her long, right?
I'm short. I'm looking short
Okay.
or long, but either like whichever manifest first. Okay, now I am looking short more than long. Come on, guys, shake everybody off. I know you want to do that. There we go. Just a little bit technical trade here, but it doesn't mean too much yet. So,
Okay.
like, I'm expecting to be wrong probably. So you still bull short. That thing was holding the moving average quite a lot, so watch out.
Yeah.
So while this is doing that, let's take a quick look at NASDAQ, because I'm gonna be simulating that thing. So, right, yeah. So NASDAQ, there we go. My from.
SPY, what a push.
Yeah, I got Nvidia. Yo tengo una mala maña, tereren, 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 que a mí mismo me da pena, tereren, tereren, tereren. Well, I got the short and it seems to be working good. I don't have to, I don't actually want to sleep on it because but I have the best price I can get. It is the best price I can get if I am right.
Okay.
If I am wrong, there is nothing I can do. So we're gonna let it manifest, which is manifesting quite well right now.
Good job.
So how is Paul doing?
Flat now. But it's going to be manifesting shortly.
Nice. It seems like people are buying in front of the Chicago PMI.
Expecting bad news and selling.
No, that you flip it quite well right there, but like that's not what I meant. But like probably is that, you know. Like I bet everybody's looking for the all-time high again today or something like that. So that will be a little bit too obvious probably. And normally when it is the most obvious thing, it's not the right thing. So we have a tendency to see that happening. So I have Nvidia short here. This is a fantastic entry for me. Right now I can't be wrong yet. And I'm okay with that. We're just gonna let it see, like let it do whatever it wants to do. Like because it will have to get under a little bit more stress for it to really get me out or whatever.
Okay.
But we don't have to be too stubborn. I was kind of expecting to be wrong. And yeah, we're gonna let it manifest. I miss my ATRs on my chart, but I keep forgetting to put that in there.
You miss it?
Yeah, because right now I want to see what is the ATR in this. Like I know it has a pretty high ATR because of the big move, but I want to see where is the ATR right now. Like did it already print like 3 ATRs? Because normally, and that's something I want to share with you at some point. Like as I say, sometimes you and I talk, and I assume that the information is transferred like telepathically, probably. So, but there is a analysis that I am doing. There is the analysis I'm doing with the ATR,
Okay.
which is like I'm taking a 5-minute ATR, and if I have take 3 times 5-minute ATR wrong on a stock, like I am wrong for good.
Okay.
And what have been happening with that is that 9 out of 10 and right about like okay, you know, like I mean not right, but like a 9 out of 10, like if you like it does work. Whenever a stock print more than 3 ATRs in the 5 minutes, it's something unusual is going on and you don't know what you are reading or whatever. But yeah, basically like on top of that 182.60, how many ATR will this thing be able to print on top? And yesterday it was an exception. That's why because yesterday was the big reversal. So, but is today gonna be an exception too? We don't know. But it's just like yeah. When I am wrong by 3 ATRs in the 5 minute, I consider myself very off,
Very wrong.
like a wrong, yeah. So
it's a good measuring tool for you.
yeah, it seems to be the right gauge for knowing when to step out of your idea. So one trade maybe I'm done today.
What a pull, right? Now I'm just gonna go check just to see, because I had very important levels on SPY, and I want to see.
There should be a saying that saying no trade, no pain.
That's true.
I need a vacation.
It's coming. You
Oh,
need
it's
more
still-
than a vacation. You need to, like a smack in the head and a coma for 2 weeks.
You see, I told you, no good touch.
Eh?
Hija de tu mamá.
You do need
Yeah, I do. I know I didn't need to sleep.
no good. No good.
I have to work with her today, you know?
Oh, I feel your frustration. Okay.
But, you know, you wanna be funny? My frustration is with the fact that I can't sleep well. Like right now, that's 90% of it.
Oh no, that would be big.
Because you are frustrated because you couldn't sleep, but then you are frustrated because you are freaking tired about the fact that you couldn't sleep. So it's like,
So it's a compound.
yeah, but it's okay. We're gonna handle it. Yo tengo una mala maña, tun, 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 que a mí mismo me da pena. So, my friend, we got a good short.
You do?
Yeah. So I'm gonna take a partial, and I'm gonna put the order. I won't be trying to be Superman or whatever, so I'm gonna just take a partial right there. Ooh, I think that was almost a mistake. One more night. One more night. Actually, I told you that today I'm planning to sleep earlier, so
That'd be nice.
that's part of it.
And today, tomorrow, we're off.
Yeah, tomorrow market close. Close market tomorrow. Not trading. You trade no tomorrow.
Yeah, we've got a guest coming, which is
Oh, it's true.
beautiful.
Yeah.
Do it! Just do it!
Yo tengo una mala maña. Tun, 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 tun. I am making very bad jokes today, so I cannot even tell them in there. So.
You should.
Oh no, I shouldn't. It's guaranteed. I should not
Should
say
not.
those bad jokes.
I know I should not.
That like the jokes were so bad that was bringing me some of realization about it. Like I like to watch stand-up comedy and things like that. And sometimes when you look at those comedians, like you are asking in the background, do they really think that way? Do they believe about that thing? And then when I make when it's a joke that I create, because that's what I'm talking about, I'm inventing jokes in my head. It's like, man, from where the heck did that idea came from? That doesn't sound like me. You know, it's like,
It could be, right? The alter egos.
yeah, for sure. That will answer it, but that's
Right?
an assumption. But that will answer it. If that will be that, for sure. It's like,
Could be alter egos. Right? The inner voices of the
Yeah.
alter ego.
no, like for
And
example,
it's even funnier because a lot of times, and that's what I find a lot that I relate to the comedians, is that
Just do it!
it's that you've thought of that.
yeah, for sure. That's what I'm saying. Like, I mean,
So you really
like you know what we say. We're saying that no matter what you say on the background, there is a little bit of reality on it. You know. So, but yeah, man, like just flush that thing. You don't want to buy it. You didn't buy it at the VWAP, so just let it go. Let it go. Give me my partial. Then I am reloading if you are going back up. You know.
So there.
So yeah, I was just thinking about that. It's like it's cool. Like I mean, we cannot be so judgmental to anybody, especially a comedian, because that's the job. That's the like, and it's actually at some point beautiful. Like if you are showing all your different sides without being hurting to anybody, you know that's cool. Yeah, it's gonna go all the way back up. And then what?
Okay, looks like a lower than expected Chicago PMI.
Oh, let me see. It's a negative news. It's gonna go all the way.
Kaboom! It's gonna go woo! Yeah. Watch the rocket. But it seems like it's really.
I sometimes I just ask, what should be Warren Buffett and all these guys thinking about fundamentals right now? Like, I mean, I'm not saying like, in my opinion, they are 100% right about fundamentals, and like, there has to be fundamentals because if not, we are just like, yes, we are gambling here, like in the stock market, this is a gamble, but it's a probability game that have certain principles. So what happens if when you throw out those principles through the window, what do you believe on? And we have to make sure that we are aware that the people that actually move the market are the people that trade in those fundamentals.
Absolutely.
So it's just
They
like,
are looking at those numbers, right?
yeah, for sure. It's
And
like,
they are
oh, these people
looking at
have
those
like
levels. They
even
are
privileged
looking-
information from no illegally. Like what I mean, like they have a team that is looking at things that it's impossible for a regular human being to be looking at. You know, so like when you hear that they have 15 analysts on one stock, it's like, I have my head for 15 stocks. So, but yeah, that's they try a little bit too fast to make a lower low. But who am I to say anything? I'm just gonna cash out a little bit there, a little bit lower. I know you wanna go lower. Okay, you know what? I actually gonna do it manually. Why I'm gonna do it manually? Because SPY is making a higher high. SPY is going all the way up.
We're finding a top here.
You think so?
Yeah.
Okay, if you say that, I believe on you. More than what I probably believe on me.
Oh,
Yeah.
don't say that.
Who cares?
I do.
Yeah, you're funny.
So 679.80. That was my level. 679.80.
Yo tengo una mala lengua. Que a mí mismo me da pena. Okay, I'm gonna be breaking even in this trade. I'm losing my patience here. Oh, that didn't work. That didn't work. That didn't work. All right, we got the partial.
Good job.
And now we're gonna be breaking even.
Woo! That's what we're talking about. Oi, did the bubble burst there? Not kidding.
Let's do some nice trading. Audio
679.80.
BTIR. Iola. I'm trying to short Nasdaq, but unable to. Let's look at it a little bit differently and the X 1 minute chart. What are you doing, bad boy? So yeah, I'm correct here.
So you're short, but what's your target?
I'm not sure. I'm looking for a short.
You're short Nvidia.
Nvidia, yes, for sure. Yeah, I don't have a target on Nvidia. Like
You should
I
be
had
close.
a target
180. There's not a whole lot more than that.
and I partial at the target. So I'm breaking even there, but Nvidia. What else do I need?
180 is a target for sure.
Oh, Nvidia is what I need. Okay, right. Yeah, but I just partial. Like I mean,
Okay.
and I leave the rest at breaking even.
Okay.
So if he goes to Wahoo or whatever you want to do. Right now, Nvidia is fighting with a very, very important level. I don't want to jinx it or anything, but like, let's see. Oh yeah, if Nvidia shouldn't allow itself to go below 179.72. I'm gonna put the number there, 179.72. That's, yeah, I actually have it there. If you go through 179.72, you know, you might be wrong. But I'm not adding to it unless you go to my actual entry. Like I have an order at break even, but that, like if we get to my entry, depending how we get there, I will
Okay.
be looking to add.
What a pull. Pull's coming. Oh, yeah.
Did a spy print? Let's see a spy. Oh yeah, spy is looking interesting there, but like, yeah, it's I have a level on a spy right there that I didn't put in the chart. Yeah, spy might be just.
Come on,
there.
lose it.
Look at you being impatient.
Oh, you have no idea here. Like I
have
am,
679.26 for spy. So spy.
I'm boiling carrots in cold water here.
Oh, a spy is gonna go down. Oh yeah, that's
That's interacting with the VWAP right there. We've got a
cutie. Oh baby, I love you.
heavy.
But it doesn't matter what you really say.
Anyway,
So just don't talk to me.
okay, so we are now at the VWAP. First buy. Looks like we've got some.
Let's show my trade to my guys. They are sleeping probably yet. But yeah.
Yeah, they're well. It's 6 o'clock there, right? So
It's funny because at some point I would like to move in there.
BC?
Yeah, you know for what reason?
No.
Trade the morning and have the whole day to do all that thing.
I love it. Oh, it's just moving, right? Am I on the right one? Okay, yeah, I am on the right one. Oi, that was a knowing one.
You are laughing at me.
With you,
Oh
with
yeah,
you.
you sure? Are you sure?
See? I am sure.
I'm not that sure, you know.
I am.
I mean, this side of the conversation, the one that has to be sure is me. So, I can tell you.
Ay, ay, ay.
So I'm gonna take another partial right there, you know?
Vamos. Daily.
Or Hitler.
No.
So, Nvidia.
Jefe, sí. Hit, no.
Ay, ay, ay. So there we go, 3, 2, 1. I should be taking partial right there. That's
So
the right
you've
thing
got
to do.
5 seconds.
So I took a partial. It doesn't matter. It's just ridiculous. Mr. Ridiculous knocking at the door, you know? That should go all the way up from there, but this is looking so puking that it's not.
There we go. Going
Probably
through
not
the
possible.
VWAP. Let's go.
You see, I told you I have really bad jokes today, so.
What did you just say?
We are talking about Hitler. Like, are you kidding me?
Yeah, that's a.
A lovely man like you.
That's a no touch.
Though I think history, we were like we
Okay,
grew up out of that thing, you know?
yeah, eh?
We
What?
grew up out of that thing. It's very unfortunate. It's very sad and things like that. But like, I understood that society learned something from there. You know,
Did it really?
I am certain about that. We learn about those things, and hey, you know, it's yeah. But let's change subject.
Yeah, that's a hot paw.
Yeah, it's yeah. So Nvidia is not holding at all, so I'm gonna add whatever I want there. Like, I mean, why are you doing that, Nvidia? So I'm breaking even because this trade should not work. So I refill pretty much the whole position, and this trade should not work. And if it does work, I'm sorry for Nvidia, but it's gonna keep going down. And there we go. There we go.
Big pull.
What a beautiful day.
And then Davis.
Oh no, I came with the mentality. Let's take partial. Let's take partial. Let's take partial. Like yesterday was you know what? Yeah, I was very green yesterday. I have a very good day yesterday too. It's just like
Your frustration. You didn't take enough partials.
I didn't took enough partial, and
Okay.
those were huge trade if I was going to be taking partial. Yes, I finished very green as I said, but still you can do better, and you don't do better because you have a flaw in your brain, not even in your system, So because
Not even in the system.
like yeah, because what we are saying here is not that my trading strategy is not working. I'm saying here my trading strategy is 100% working. Like I mean, it's working exceptionally good. But this human being here is saying, "Oh, I don't want to take the partial there." oh, I don't want to take the partial there. And then it's like, man, but like, you say to yourself that whenever it does that, you're supposed to take partial there. It's very structured and like, how the heck did I miss the tree? Okay, there we go. Here we are. Wow, what is the delay on this? Like,
Addy, right now reacting to that level, to the practically penny, to 670, 680.
a spy? Is that a spy?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like it, you know, but it's okay. Algo nuevo descubrí. Turun, tun, tun, tin. Do you have any trade, Marie?
I had bull short.
Yet. Because that was what you're trading in the
I
open,
did, and then I flipped when it was like I said, watching carrots spoil.
Right? Mm-hmm. Y así en tus ojos.
So we've got a very, very green sector map. Google, that's it. We got Google, CMR, Metaslab.
the things you don't want. Por un caminito yo te fui a buscar, muy lejos caminé y al fin yo te encontré. Por un caminito yo te fui a buscar, muy lejos caminé y al fin yo te encontré. Hoy me siento muy feliz porque estoy junto a ti. Y nunca tú te olvides que eres para mí. Dun, dun, dun. Se han dejado todo. Say this in Spanish. Anita, lava latina.
Anita Lava Latina.
Yeah. That's one of the phrases that if you write it backward or if you read it backward, it's the same. And you say Anita is a name. She's washing the top. That's the translation, but of course, like Anita Lava Latina.
Latina?
Latina is not a word. It's two. It's like la, tina, not Latina.
Un tina es un baño.
Yeah.
Oh. Yo no sabe.
What a crazy market.
Agreed.
Muy lejos caminé y al fin yo te encontré. Ey. Nvidia got me out and I just reloaded in the next price. And I went bigger. But yeah. How do they say? Show me with who you are going around and I'm gonna tell you who you are. Right now you look like a seller. What are the chances that this market will shake off a lot of participants?
Huge. Just
Like,
like
I mean-
me.
No, but not shake off as shake you out of your position. It's like, how many people are gonna say like, Michael Burry, like, I am not participating anymore for now?
That's a good point, eh?
Like, it's mental to see like those equities going through upside downs like this. It's like, so I know I will be risking a bit more, but like, it's okay. I just gonna say, if I am wrong, get me out.
Okay.
Like that, I don't even do the usual thing where I let it go too far. In my opinion, it shouldn't go any higher. You went through very significant levels, like if there is nothing. And now you're gonna put up a reversal? For which reason? Like, my target is 176 now. And if you make a lower low, I'm gonna be breaking even. Like, trying to hold the 176. That's a clear plan. That's a very clear plan. We're gonna try to execute that. Or I get stop out, which will be normal. Or I make a lower low. Once I make the lower low, I will be breaking even. And then I will be willing to be all out at 176.50. I know it could be 176.30, but I think that 176.50, I don't abuse the price action, I don't do anything, it's just a trade. So let's put that order in from the good to go. What do you think about that, Marie? And like that, we have nothing to do, you know, like more than to move the price to break even whenever you make a lower low. So right now, let's put that plan in cruise control. So 176.50. That's the price that I want to be all out
In NVIDIA.
in NVIDIA. So I am short. So because I want to be out, I have to buy it. Okay, order is in, and I'm assuming that it will print a lower low. So I can be wrong and it can just get me out. But like,
Did you check the tape?
the tape is really flippy right now. The tape looks very long, but
Okay,
with a
we'll
lot of
see it.
uncertainty. And my problem, like, why do I believe in this trade? That last red line that we see here, the 179.71, that should never be pierced by that much. Never. That is a clear violations of price action. So I think I'm right, and if I am right, that means this thing is gonna go even lower than the 176.50. But you take it with a big chunk of salt and you let it do whatever it wants to do. How is your long or short?
Right now I'm short.
Which one?
So far.
So far.
didn't know that.
What has been?
There's universal colors for indicators.
I don't want to even know them because I have my own.
Right?
So,
But I'm like, what?
I'm gonna say this out of ignorance. I don't know if that does exist. But it would be very cool if there is a trading university, like a university that have a degree on trading. Like I know Sean went to finance, I think something like that. He did something related to that at like college or university, whatever.
Okay.
But like, and I know that since he came out, that's pretty much what he have been doing. But like, I don't know if they actually teach you this is how you day trade. You know, because like if you go like there are positions in a bank or in a trading firm like investment firm that they have to they are day trading, like they don't have a choice,
True.
like because their job is selling and buying, and like they have to know what are the conditions today and blah blah blah. So though the trade may have a longer term focus, uh, I still understand that they will need to have this knowledge. Right now, the pattern for Nvidia is the same pattern than yesterday.
Okay.
So my only question is it gonna be able to repeat the same than yesterday or not? So I'm gonna mute myself. I'm gonna be working on something else, but I'm gonna be here if anybody have a question. I am right here. All right, everybody. So, yeah. So let's see. Like I took a very good trade today, and right now I know I'm like being a little bit stubborn here, but like I really don't like the fact that this level here got pierced. Like then this level, I don't like the fact that it got pierced by that much.
Okay.
So that's why I'm being a little bit hard-headed here with the short. I have a short from here, but I maybe should be out of just get it back somewhere else. But yeah. So that being said, I'm green now. If I hold for this for too long, I could be red, but I think I'm right. So I'm gonna stick to that for now. So SPY is printing above the 681 that Marie was mentioning, and she was expecting SPY to go that high actually. But yeah, so in general, I'm having a good day. It's just like market seems to be wanting to go higher and higher. So we're gonna be patient and nimble with that. But you know, anything can happen. This market is really crazy right now. I know that for anybody trading out there, if you don't have much experience, or even if you are like, if you feel sketchy, like it is sketchy, like the market is going bizarrely low, like dipping and then coming back. So like
crazy.
yeah, which is nerve wracking sometimes, I guess. So for some people, but yeah. So more than that, like everything is going good here. We just like let's see what we do, what with my guy. We have to remember that the market is going to be close tomorrow, so I would prefer to not have a red day today. But yeah, yesterday was a very good day. Today's what? Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah, I have 3 good days actually right now.
And
So
tomorrow close. Friday, it's an early day.
it's an early day. So Friday we're gonna have to watch out for lower volume, and I actually don't know if the numbers for sales from Black Friday, like do they should come Monday, something like that. It's something about next week, right? Like we can look at that later, but what I'm
Well-
saying, like Black Friday is Friday, so they won't know Friday how much did they sell already, you know,
Correct.
until the end of the day. So yeah, that
Correct.
makes sense. So
So Friday and there's Monday, Cyber Monday.
Cyber Monday, yeah. So we're gonna have to wait probably until like Wednesday or something like that to be able to know. Okay, they did very good. Inventory was 0. Like the number for inventory really was 0 this month. So what does that mean when it comes to Black Friday and Cyber Monday? Well, we don't know. Like if it's 0, maybe they don't have anything to sell. But I don't think that's the case. You know, there is a lot of offers here and there. So we're gonna keep it nimble and we're gonna see what this thing wants to do. So I'm gonna explain my trade here and why I have so much leeway in this trade that I have, that I am just being stubborn, that I shouldn't be letting go that far, but you know me, like I do that eventually. So I short the crap out of this right here. That was a very good trade. So I partial, add to the partial again, add to the partial. No, I got the stop out at break even here in the last one. So that was a very good trade here, very profitable trade. And then I shorted again here at this level here. And the reason why I short that level, and I know I'm letting it go far. That's what I say. I know I'm letting it go too far. But this price here, this 179.71, that's the point of control for the last 3 months.
Holy.
So it's not like it is relevant, but like the relevance I see now is that with the push that we had yesterday, with how bullish everything was looking here. Look at that moving average. Look at this VWAP. We are holding here like so good that I don't see how this thing pierced that VPOC here by so much. So yeah. If I wouldn't be stubborn, like I would be just out here and not take the trade until we come into the level. But sometimes we get greedy here and we want to get another price, you know, so whatever. So that's it for me. As I say, for now, green. And let's see how we end the day. I have no stress about it. We're going to see what the market wants to do. So probably somebody's going to grab the mic at some point. We're going to have to do something else. I know Marie traded a couple tickets today. So Marie, would you like to share with us what did you do?
So we only had 2 tickets. So I started out with Webull, Bull, B-U-L-L. So my first trade was, let's go bull. Okay, so my first trade that I saw was short. So I shorted it at 928. So short. Did not take any partial. It wasn't moving that much.
Actually, you showed a good level there.
Yeah, 928, but it wasn't doing much. It was just me. So, but then when it pierced with fierceness, and I wasn't expecting that it was going to go to 940, that's when I got out and I flipped my position too long. Well, that didn't work out, did it?
Yeah, a little bit flippy there, I see.
Yeah, so that was way flippy. Then what I did is, you know what, I'm going to walk away and I'm going to go SoFi. SoFi, I did a flip as well. So what I did is I went short at 28.50.
Okay.
And it got me out.
Yeah, like that's a bottom price almost.
Well,
at that
yeah, right? That's what I was telling you earlier. I said, oh my God, I'm shorting at the bottom and I'm going longs at top. Give my head a shake, flip my position, and then I went short. I went long at 28.50.
That's why now I have that aversion. Like I don't know if you have noticed it in my trades,
No, what?
but I have like whenever I see that the stock is like the day highs or something like that, for me it's almost impossible to go long because it's like I don't believe on it.
Yeah.
And it's because I was so used to just getting shake out at the top and then like whatever. So I say, like screw that out. So but
I like
yeah,
that.
sorry for interrupting you, but
No,
it's just
please,
saying I know the feeling.
Please.
So
Right? And it was so, and I was like, what's going on? Like, give your heads a shake. So I went long 28.50, and I kept padding every time that it would be pulling back. So that was at about 10.20 that I went long. The issue is, and then like it was just partial. I did a lot of partial, adding at the pullback, partial, adding at the pullback, and I keep. Now the issue is that I'm still in the trade. So, because I'm still in the trade, I'm holding it too long, and I'm still looking at the positions that we have that are still very strong, and it's not pulling back like crazy. It's really respecting, and the level that I'm thinking is 28.50. But it could definitely pull from there. We still don't have an RSI that has dipped, and the MACDs have not crossed yet, so I'm not giving up on the trade yet. But right now, the trade gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15. Yeah, close to 15 hours.
that's pretty good.
So, like you said, though,
Yeah, still a little bit like hard-headed, but you made it back. So you
a
made
little
it.
bit hard-headed. Definitely hard-headed, and that's a full-on thinking to hold it back. No, I should have really got out at the top there. Right now, I'm liking what it's doing here, and I'm hoping that it is going to be bouncing before pulling through. But definitely a mistake to hold it that long.
Okay.
And that's about it.
Okay, nice. So yeah, like that's part of the deal. Like, I mean,
SPY right
you
now
have to-
still 681.90. So that's the level that we had this morning, but it's wild to think that it could, right? So
Yeah, like it's insane. Like to be honest, I don't even know. Like, and I say like this is a very head scratching comment for me. Like, why is the market going that high right now?
with those numbers that we got this morning,
Yeah,
right?
and
None of them were
conditions
good.
and things like that. So it's like
None of them were good.
like I don't want to sound pessimist, but they're like I really don't find the reasons. So, but it's okay. I have a long PLTR that is printing and it's gonna be getting me out probably before Friday. So we will see. So. So that's it. I hope everybody have a good one, and yeah, watch out. Tomorrow there is no trading, and so don't leave position open by mistake because it's gonna be an extra day of possible volatility somewhere else.
Absolutely. And happy
So-
Thanksgiving for
Yeah,
our
for Americans.
Americans.
See, yeah, I hope you
Our
guys have
American friends
a
there.
very nice family time and you find some nice gift for Black Friday. So,
Christmas
bye-bye.
shopping.
yeah, the same here.
Bye.